इतना बड़ा स्टार होने के बावजूद वो इतना सुलझा है ना, लाइक इतना जमीन से जुड़ा हुआ है वो. Janvi, I would say, is a lot more intelligent than what people give her credit for. He's been on Instagram for many years. He's been on that show
Yeah.
for many years. He's got a very large female fan following. I mean, these are all things people know. Uh,
Yes.
he's a sweet kid,
That's
you
true.
know.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Live. Joining us today is the most dashing, versatile, and the talented star who's ruling hearts with his craft. Welcome, Akshay, and how are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. Such a nice introduction. Thank you so much.
Super. So good to see you again. So, we've got the banger of the month, Panwadi song. I am to grooving day and night. What about you?
यार मैं जब खुद का गाना होता है तो बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है, तो यू जस्ट होपिंग दैट पीपल लाइक इट, यू नो. यू हर्ड इट सो मेनी टाइम्स, यू डांस टू इट,
Yeah.
यू टू इट. समझ में नहीं आता यार, बिकॉज हमको तो पसंद आता है, सबको अपने बच्चे अच्छे लगते हैं.
Yeah, what are the thoughts going on? क्या बातें चल रही हैं calls पे, groups पे. The response is crazy, but still.
Is it? Is it?
Yeah,
I'm glad to
yeah.
hear that. And something very difficult to understand because sometimes, you know, आजकल फिल्मों का क्या होता है किसी को समझ में नहीं आता है. And
सही बात है.
if someone could tell us exactly कि ये चलने वाला है या वो चलने वाला है, वही बनाते हैं अपन. I think that it's a film that hasn't come in a long time. This kind of family, fun, entertainer sort of movie.
Yeah.
एक अरसा हो गया ऐसी फिल्म को लाइक लाइक सिनेमा घर में आकर. तो उम्मीद तो है, यू नो, बहुत प्यार और लगन से फिल्म बनी है. हर फिल्म प्यार और लगन से बनती है, इसका ये नहीं मतलब कि सिर्फ हमारी फिल्म बनी है, बट यू नो, यू यूजुअली गेट अ सेंस दैट this one was
Yeah.
made, a lot of people really invested themselves into it, they believed in it. This is one of those projects. So I'm just really hoping for the best. Yeah.
The fans really want to know that who was the most energetic person on the sets.
Everyone is like
Yeah.
that. Like, you know, working in the film line is a very tough business. Like people don't get this opportunity that quickly or that easily. So I
True that.
think actors today very much understand कि अगर आपकी एनर्जी खत्म हो रही है तो नेक्स्ट बंदा लाइन में जो खड़ा है ना, उसको प्रोड्यूसर लेके आएगा. You know what I mean? There's no
Right.
there's no room for anyone who doesn't have that energy till the last moment of the day. You know, because this is a very competitive line and it's only getting more and more competitive. So
Yeah.
everyone has to bring it all the time. So I can't pinpoint one person and say कि उसने ज्यादा एनर्जी डाली या उसने ज्यादा डाली है. सबने
Yeah.
डाला है, collectively सबने डाला है, डायरेक्टर ने भी डाला है. You know, it's a very dicey situation today at the box office. So the producer doesn't have time for anyone who's not putting in that level of work and mehnat.
True that. And nowadays we're seeing influencers are also making their way to the big screens and OTT shows and all. So competition बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है Akshay. So what is your take on the current lot? Like जो casting की जा रही है based on the followers. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, that's a wholly separate ball game and you know, उसके बारे में मैं ना ही बोलूं तो बेहतर. बिकॉज मुझ जैसा एक्टर जो 15 साल से कोशिश कर रहा है, सिर्फ कोशिश ही कर रहा है तब से, बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है. कभी दिल को भी लगता है कि यार ये व्हाई इज इट अ पॉपुलैरिटी कॉन्टेस्ट. और मतलब एक्टिंग और टैलेंट को आप इसमें कैसे नाप तोल कर सकते हो कि इसकी फॉलोइंग इतनी है तो इसका मतलब एक्टर बेहतर है. You know, so it's a strange time. But I can't blame anyone because things are not working. You know, by and large, things
Hmm.
are not working. Most things are failing. So producers are also insecure. So they'll say कि हाँ
Could
इसमें
be.
ज़्यादा reach मिलेगा, ये मिलेगा, वो मिलेगा. So they cast based on that. But I think people are now realizing that influencers and actors are two different talents. You know, I'm
Hmm.
not saying कि influencer is less talented. उनका talent ऐसा है कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. अगर मुझे समझ में आता तो मैं भी कर लेता. You know,
Yeah.
it's a totally separate identity, it's a separate talent. And but it's not acting, you know. So you can't expect कि जिसकी फैन फॉलोइंग ज्यादा है इन्फ्लुएंसिंग के कारण अगर उसको पिक्चर में डाल दो तो वो अद्भुत एक्टिंग कर लेगा, वो तो होगा ही नहीं. It could happen, and
That's
influencer
that's
could,
an
could happen.
experimental phase, no?
Very
कुछ
experimental.
इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं जिन्होंने काफी कमाल का काम किया बट एट द सेम टाइम आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड कि ये बहुत अनफिट चीज थी फॉर द फिल्म और फॉर द सीरीज.
I'll put it in a different way. Imagine अगर आपको किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाना है and your
हम्म.
doctor tells you that you know, I've done all kinds of whatever surgery you are looking for. Like say आपको दिल का कुछ करवाना है and he says I've never done it before, but I'm a
Yeah.
doctor. have
But
done,
I'm a doctor.
but I'm a,
Yeah.
you would say, no, no, bring me the guy who's done many heart surgeries before. I want that
I
guy.
need a
You
cardio.
know,
Yeah.
the guy was like, let me try. I have an intention. I try karta hu. So, somebody like me who's been working on the craft for many, 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 many years does feel a bit like, मैं गलत तो नहीं चला गया
Hmm.
मतलब इन्फ्लुएंसिंग करना चाहिए था मतलब is that the way to get there as an actor? So again, people are just throwing things at a wall and hoping they stick, because it's a tough time at the box office.
Yeah. All right. So talking about the upcoming release only, so things that people don't know about Janvi, Sanya, Varun, Rohit. Few
Yeah.
things about them that nobody knows and only you know.
I would let's start with Varun. I think Varun is very unique in the sense that इतना बड़ा स्टार होने के बावजूद वो इतना सुलझा है ना like इतना जमीन से जुड़ा हुआ है वो. He's got no arrogance, no ego, no like shosha, none of that. Which I didn't know. I mean, you would assume that such a big star जो इतना पैसा
Yeah.
कमाता है, brands को endorse करते हैं, इतने साल से उतनी बड़ी fan following है. Um, he's very grounded and really understands the business very 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 well. Janvi, I would say, is a lot more intelligent than what people give her credit for. She's extraordinarily smart. She has an opinion on things that are very clear opinions on things and correct opinions on things. I would say.
Yeah.
She's also self-deprecating. कुछ like अपना खुद का मजाक उड़ाते रहती हैं. And that's coming from the legacy that she comes from. It's very tough. That's very tough, to handle that with such grace,
True that.
and have your own identity as a result. I don't know that I would have been able to do it. Sanya is very quiet. I don't know. That's not the version of her that I expected. वो
Yeah.
एकदम पंजाबन.
Anya seems like quite extrovert, like on her profile
Yeah,
also. And
yeah, yeah. Every time I look at her Instagram stories, मैं भी चौंक जाता हूँ because actually she's very. She
oh
doesn't,
God.
she doesn't really talk too much. She doesn't really like say too much. She's quite quiet.
Hmm.
The only time her come to life is when अगर कोई गाना बज रहा है और वो नाचने लगती है ना तो फिर suddenly उसके
Yeah.
साथ expressions आ जाते हैं और वो खुल जाती हैं. But otherwise she's very quiet. She's quite reserved.
And
Rohit,
Rohit.
I don't know what to say about Rohit. I don't know if there's anything about Rohit that people don't know. I think he's been on Instagram for many many years. He's been on that show
Yeah.
for many years. He's got a very large female fan following. I mean, these are all things people know. Uh,
Yes.
he's a sweet kid.
That's true.
Everyone knows that also. Um,
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know what to say about Rohit, but I say if I said he has a nice fashion sense, people will say वो तो पता ही था. तो मैं क्या बोलूँ? I don't really know. I'll come back.
And the things about Akshay that nobody knows.
Things about me that no one knows. I'm very shy. I don't think that's something also that people know, or it's tough to assume. You think actors are all trying get out there and doing their own PR and trying to gain a fan
Yeah.
following. और सबको लगता है कि यार they must be attention hungry.
उसमें भी एक्टिंग है.
उसमें भी एक एक्टिंग है बिल्कुल. ये भी एक एक्टिंग ही है कि मैं कोशिश करके अपनी रियल जिंदगी में आई काउंट दिस एज लाइक अ रियल थिंग. आई ट्राई एंड बी एज ऑथेंटिक एंड एज रियल एज पॉसिबल. बट एक्चुअल लाइफ में मैं बड़ा शाई हूँ. मैं बड़ा इंट्रोवर्टेड हूँ. मैं ज्यादा लाइक आप मुझे कोई जब भी मुझे प्रेस करना पड़ता है ना बहुत लोगों के सामने मेरी दिल की धड़कनें ऐसे तेज हो जाती हैं बिकॉज I'm not very comfortable in large gatherings and surroundings.